Uh, this is my HP Pavilion DV6000, which has having problem with my video card. We devised a solution on this by removing the fan and battery, so it is now basically running on power. So first, I devised fan and connected here using the USB. See what happened when I press the power button. So obviously we will hear the sound, this video sound. Okay, just don't worry about it. Just basically by removing the fan, it makes the motherboard hot. So we'll let this laptop on for at least 5 to 10 minutes, so that the chip on the video card will be heated up and it will be connected again to the motherboard. So I will just wait for another 5 minutes. Okay.